Dear viewers, in this video we are discussing the process of symport. The process occurs in four stages. First is binding. Symporter binds to both the substances it will transport. Second is gradient driven movement. The movement of driving substance down its concentration gradient provides the energy for the transporter to change the shape. Third is conformational change. This conformational change allows the driven substance to be released into the cell along with the driving substance. Last is simultaneous release. Both the substances are released at the same time, having moved together in same direction. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.